So I'm going to show you how to do the screen mirroring by using EasyCast. So first of all, make sure the EasyCast app is available from your MacBook. So this is how the interface looks like from the MacBook. Now go to your iPad and make sure that the EasyCast app is already open. As you can see from your screen now, this is how the EasyCast app looks like. Okay, what you need to do is you need to tap the broadcast screen. From the broadcast screen, it will redirect you to another interface which shows available devices that are currently connected to EasyCast. Just ensure that both of your devices, the MacBook and iPad, are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. Otherwise, the EasyCast will not be able to detect it. So next step, you just need to tap the device here, which is the MacBook Air, and then for the last step, you just need to tap the start broadcast. So you can see right afterwards, anything appears on the iPad screen will be mirroring to your MacBook.